Hi and welcome to this guide. We're going to check the news with the latest Naviate Bimfire receiver 1.4.0. There are two main changes in this tool, but first, as always, let us load the parameters from the regulatory specialist. We would go to Insert, Insert from File, Insert Views from File. I have a favorite here called Downloads. I will select the parameter file that they have sent over, go Open, and OK. And then OK. First, we're going to check the project parameters. If I go into Manage, Project Information, here we can see that the regulatory specialist can send a parameter which says either fire, acoustic, or other delivery information. Here it's possible to define which handover that is being sent over. Once it's imported, the time and date as well will appear at the time that the information was imported. Let's run it. So we will go to Add-ins, go to Import from Link, select the fire safety model and the Swedish ones, and we press Import. Once it's imported, we can go into Manage again, Project Information, and we can see here, this is the information from the fire engineer, and this is the date when it was imported down to the second. The second is the information from the regulatory specialist. So when they have added several requirements that are connected to an object, in this case the architecture model, we could easily find those components by creating, for instance, a schedule and just find the semicolon that will separate the different requirement in the import feature. So once it's imported, I can go here to Schedule. I will create a new schedule. I can go down to walls. You can name it to whatever you want. Go to OK. Here we can add the fire rating wall. I will as well actually add the base constraints, meaning we can search per level. And we can go to filter. I want to find all the fire rating walls that contains a semicolon, meaning we will have all of those. And I will actually then sort by base constraint. So I got all the ones that are in the same level on one floors, and then I'm going to search for or sort by the fire rating. I will not itemize every instance. I will as well add a black line here so it makes it easy to see. And here you're going to see all the different values here. And I can see in which levels. Here you can see it's on level 1 in the middle part, I believe it is, and level 3 and level 4. And we can see the values here that are attached to that specific object. So usually what I would recommend is drag this and move this to another other screen, but I will do the window tile this time so make it easy for the video, but recommend it to pull it on the side and have it on a secondary screen. You can go to the level 3. I will do the window tile and figure out where these are. You can just select the row here, and that will automatically be selected in this view. You can use this way, or you can as well use third-party applications such as Naviate Accelerate to colorize these elements in a specific color, or you can create your own view filters to find all the walls or doors which have several requirements connected to it. But here we can see down here that this one needs to be split. I can select this one, and that is perfect. What I would do is I know it's here. I would isolate this one, split it, load a bit more. Brilliant. Release it, and then go to the next one. So you can either say like, oh, it's finished or something and communicate it back to the regulatory specialist, in this case, the fire engineer. Then just go to the next one. I will turn this off, and of course, window tile again. I can select this one, and it's going to be selected here. I'm going to have my one wall. It's going to be the same one, but The idea here, you can easily find where you need to do splits. You can see that it grabs all the different requirements that are set by the regulatory specialist. So you can do a compliance check, obviously with the highest one, or as you go, split it. Those are the two main features that's coming out with the Naviate Bimfire Receiver 1.4.0. And check out our support.naviate.com for more information and tips and tricks how you can use the information from this regulatory specialist in your workflow and your day-to-day work.